Hey you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to open up your TikTok following feed. I'll also be showing you how to see your TikTok following list, as well as how to see your followers on TikTok. I'll be showing you how to do this on your iPhone, so have this device on hand and follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to access your following feed. First, we're going to launch our TikTok. And when we are on our home screen, when we look up at the top here, we have two different options. We have our following and we have our For You. The For You page is a page of posts derived from an algorithm. So when you scroll through TikTok and you like certain things and you watch certain videos, your For You page is just going to show you things that you will presumably like. Your following feed is going to be posts from creators that you specifically follow. So we're going to select our following, and this is where we're going to find all of said videos. So anybody we follow, all of their posts are going to end up right here, and we can scroll through and engage with them. When it comes to seeing who you follow on TikTok, you can discover it this way, but you can also just go through your followers by clicking on your profile down in the bottom right corner. And then we can click on our following on the left-hand side. Right away, I get a notification to link my TikTok and my Facebook so that I can add friends on TikTok that I also have on Facebook. So I can either allow that or don't allow. Now that I'm here, I can scroll through my following. I can also, at the top, search users by name. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, you can also support the channel through super stickers. These basically just help fund the channel and it helps us continue to create content for you guys. Thanks again, and let's get back to the video. You can also look at who your friends are following or some of the other people that you follow. You can go into their follower list and see who they're following. The only tricky part to this is that if people have their profile set to private, then that won't be available to you. But if their profile is set to public, then you can actually just go in and look through their followers as well. So you can either search this user by name or you can select them from your following list. And then we'll just click their following, and we can go through who they're following. We can also go into our own following and swipe to the right to go to suggested. And if there were any suggested accounts, they would appear here. And lastly, you can look at your own followers as well by going back into your profile and clicking the followers option. Here is everyone who's following you, even though you may not be necessarily following them back. So you can also at any time go through your followers and follow back anybody that you know and maybe forgot to follow back. As a bonus tip today, I'm going to show you guys how to access your profile views. To do this, you're going to click on your profile in the bottom right corner, and then you're going to click on the little footprints next to your name, and this is going to bring up your profile views. This is people who have viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And this is only accessible by the person who owns that account, so you can't go in and look at this on other people's accounts. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you found this helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video.